Xiaomi 14 Ultra battery capacity, launch timeline tipped. Tipster Fixed Focus Digital has tipped the tentative launch timelines of several flagship smartphones in China. According to a post on Weibo, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will debut in March 2024. Besides Xiaomi 14 Ultra, Q1 2024 will witness the announcements of the Huawei P70 series and the Vivo X100 Ultra. The tipster also said that smartphone launches are expected to slow down after mid-December and the industry will not see new announcements for a while. Xiaomi 14 Ultra battery details leaked. According to China-based publication CNMO, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will pack a 5500 mAh battery. This would be a significant upgrade over the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery. It might also result in an increase of the phone's overall weight. The report says that Xiaomi wants to provide a large battery for its flagship, in a way to extend the camera sessions. Besides battery, Xiaomi is also said to be working on upgrading the quad camera setup from the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. There are chances that the Xiaomi 14 Ultra could feature a titanium body, similar to the special titanium edition of the Xiaomi 14 Pro. The flagship could also come with the HyperOS operating system. Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro ship with HyperOS in China, but the company is yet to expand this to global models. Like most flagships coming out these days, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra may also feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, Leica optics, an OLED display, and ultra-fast charging support. The handset could feature a Sony Leap 900 sensor with DCG technology. The main sensor could be paired with a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, a 50MP 3x zoom sensor with macro mode, and a 50MP 5x zoom sensor.